Hello guys, so today I'm going to do a full face of Inside Cosmetic.
Oh my god! Wow!
This is an Indian brand and most of the YouTubers have raved about its product. So I bought some products and some of the products I already had before. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm going to use the Inside 3-in-1 primer. This is like a silicone based primer. I have used this in a lot of videos, so I'm trying to use up most of my makeup products so that I can order more. I don't like to order and then just leave it and it'll just get wasted, so I don't want to do that. So I'm trying to finish what I already have right now and then buy more. I have applied over the areas where I have pores. I'm going to rub my fingers first, heat up my fingers, and then I'm going to Now I'm going to let the primer sit for 3 to 5 minutes. So this is the second time I'm shooting this video because the first time I forgot to press the record button. I'm going to color correct, and for that I'm using the Inside Pro concealer. So I'm going to use the orange shade. Now this concealer palette does have my shade, but I ordered another concealer which I would like to try. So I am going to use this orange shade in the middle. I'm going to take a little amount, pat it on the back of my hand because while using it you get a lot of product which is not necessary. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to pat it on the back of my hand and apply under my eyes. I'm going to apply over my lid also. So I'm applying over the areas where I have more of a discoloration, that is around my eyes, the side of my cheeks and around my mouth. So you can see that I have applied the orange color corrector around my eyes, at the sides of my cheeks, both the sides, and then at the sides of my mouth. I'm going to use a beauty blender and blend it out. So if there is any excessive product, it will come on the beauty blender. And you want to make sure that it is not too orangey because when you use the foundation, it will see through the foundation, so you don't want that. I'm going to set the color corrector with the compact powder, which is from the Inside 2-in-1 compact powder concealer. So there is a concealer and a compact powder. I have used the concealer already. Now I'm going with the compact powder. So I told you this is the second time I'm doing this video, so that is why I have already used the concealer. So I'm taking a brush, tapping off the excess and then applying over. Next, I'm going to use the foundation, which is the Inside Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation. This foundation retails for 160 rupees only. Most of the YouTubers have been talking about this product, and this is in the shade 04 Warm Nude. So I have given a review about this foundation. If you're interested, I will link it up here so you can watch it. Now I'm going to use the beauty blender and blend it out. So I would like to get a full coverage, that is why I'm blending it once again, and also there's this discoloration out here which I would like to remove. Now I'm going to conceal my under eyes and also these areas where I have this dark pigmentations. So I'm using this concealer. So I'm taking in a flat brush and then I'm gently patting it over. So initially this concealer looks slightly darker than my shade, but as I keep patting it just blends and then it gets into my shade. So the first time when I did the video, I was very sad because I thought I should have put the concealer under my foundation, but then later just changed the shade. It just merged with the foundation. I don't know what happened. As I kept patting, it turned into the foundation shade, which was a relief actually. So now I'm applying under my eyes. So I have concealed all the areas. Now using my finger, I'm just going to blend everything out. So this is optional, but I do it if there is any crease or anything, and if the concealer hasn't gone into that crease, so it helps with the creasing. I mean, this will help it go into the creases, and it also helps to remove the creasing. Using the same compact powder, I'm just going to apply over the areas I have applied the concealer. So this will help to delay the creasing. Now I'm going to contour my face, and for contouring I'm using this Inside 2-in-1 Duo Stick. So I got the color Caramel, I believe. So there is a contour stick out on one side and there is a highlighter on the other side. So I have given a detailed review about this also. You can just watch that if you want to see the review. So I'm going to contour with this. But I feel it is very light on my skin and it is not showing. So it is not showing on camera. So you can see I have blended out the product. You can see the contour out here. I don't know whether it is visible on camera, but I can see it out here. So if I apply more, it will not look good. So that's why I'm not going to apply anymore. Now I'm going to set the whole face with the setting spray. I think Inside Cosmetics has a setting spray, but I was not able to get it. So instead I'll be using my own. Now I'm going to do my eyes. So for the eyes, I bought this beautiful blue color. And it is in the shade 10 Galaxy. It is like this beautiful blue color. So I bought that and I'll be applying it over my eyes. So I'll be doing a simple eye look. I'm not going to be using any brush or anything. I'm just dabbing the product with my fingers and blending it out. So you can see it is like a very light blue color, and I wish the color was a little more brighter, but there's nothing we can do about it. So I'm going to apply under my eyes too. I'm just going to let this dry and then I'm going to put my eyeliner. So till then I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I don't think they had an eyebrow pencil, so I'm going to just use this mascara, which is the Inside mascara. First, I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take the mascara wand and brush through it. Now I'm going to use the Inside Dramatic waterproof eyeliner and I'm going to draw a liner. Now I'm going to try to replicate this out here, which is like very impossible for me. I have somehow managed to duplicate my eyeliners. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply my mascara, which is the same mascara which I use to do my eyebrows. And most of the time I just apply mascara over my eyebrows and go out. I haven't had a problem with that. So this does not give me like the bang lashes type effect. It gives me like you have lashes, like what lashes you have, I will help you accentuate it. Also, I find that you have to coat it a lot, to get that wonderful effect. Now I'm going to apply my blush. Now Inside Cosmetics does not have a blush, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this lipstick, which is a matte lipstick, and I'm going to use it as a blush. So first I'm going to just apply on the back of my hands and gently take it on my fingers and then dab it. So now I'm going to use the highlighter. So this is like a champagne-ish color. So I've just decided to take it with my fingers and then like blend it. So you can just see the shine. For my lips, I'm going to use the Inside Non-Transfer Lip Color, which is in the shade 01 Joyful. It's like a beautiful brown shade and I think it will suit everyone. This is how the color looks on my lips, and it is a beautiful color. I just love it on my lips. It's like I don't know, it's like a beautiful brown color, but it's like a brown that will not make you look very dull. You understand what I'm saying? It's like perfect brown color for any type of skin. So I use the setting spray again, and this is how it looks finally. And I just love this makeup look. I love the products that I have used. And if you want a detailed review of the products, please do check out this link. And I have not reviewed all the products because I bought some products only for this video, and that only I have reviewed. I have not reviewed the products that I already had with me beforehand. I didn't think it was right to review it because I had already used it, and I don't think anyone will be interested in it. But the products that I have bought specifically for this video, I have reviewed it, and that is like 4 or 5 products only. So if you're interested to check the review, please do check it. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe. It will help with my channel. Till we see you the next time. Love you all. So if you like this video, see you. So till each time I come the video. So if you like the video, subscribe. It's free. You can ask. So if you and even turn on the bell notification so that each time I post